Hello everyone, Camilo here again with a new project for Honeyfunnystore. Today I will show you a new project just with black HTV. As you can see, we are going to use a black pack of HTV. You can find all the instruction in the backpack of the package. I have my t-shirt, and the first thing that we are going to do is take the t-shirt and make sure that our design is going to fit in our t-shirt. As you can see, I take the measures wide and long. I have my design in Silhouette Design Studio because I have a Silhouette Cameo 3. I will start to prepare all the details to cut my design. I will leave you this design in the web page of Honey and Funny, so you can use it if you want to make your own t-shirts. You can take all the time that you need to prepare all the settings. It's super important, that part. I will use the measures that I got you before, and don't forget to flip it horizontally. If you want to stab any kind of text or numbers, you always have to flip your design. The setting that every time that I use are blade in number 2, its speed in 5, and force in 15. Now it's a cutting time. Now as you can see, you can realize how our design was cut in the HTTP. Don't forget, watch the second part of this video. Don't forget to share it and give us a like. See you in the second part. Bye bye.